In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a password on Notion. Setting a password for your Notion account is an essential step to secure your workspace and protect your data. Whether you're storing personal notes, work projects, or important documents, having a strong password ensures that only you can access your account. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process clearly and thoroughly so you can set up your password quickly and safely. To begin, open your Notion account and go to Settings, which you can find at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once the Settings menu is open, click on your account at the top. This will bring up all the account options where you can manage your personal information, security settings, and login details. Look for the option that says Add Password and click on it. Make sure you don't click Change Email or any other option, because we are focusing specifically on setting up a new password. After clicking Add Password, you'll see a field where you can type in the password you want to use. Choose a password that is strong and unique, ideally combining letters, numbers, and special characters. This helps make your account more secure and harder to guess. After entering your password, you'll need to retype it in the confirmation field to make sure there are no mistakes. This step ensures that your password is exactly what you intended and reduces the chance of login issues later. Once you have entered and confirmed your password, click on Set the Password. Notion will save your new password immediately, and from this point on, you will use it to log into your account. Having a password set also allows you to enable additional security features such as two-step verification, which provides even more protection for your workspace. Creating a password is a simple but crucial step in maintaining the safety of your Notion account. By setting a strong password, you can keep your notes, projects, and personal data secure while enjoying all the features that Notion has to offer. Always remember to keep your password safe and avoid sharing it with others to maintain your account's security. And that's it. You've successfully created a password for your Notion account. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.